got a friend with us this morning. That's pretty cool. Flew right over there next to Brady.
Nice little mountain chicken.
Yeah. Looks pretty fat, actually.
Yeah, he does.
Huh. Well, we got our sheathing up on the dormers and the main floor back wall. And then we got our roofs on the dormers all taped up. That one over there was done the other day, and then finished up this front dormer today. Still got to do the overhang framing, but the roof sheathing is on and taped, so at least we're dry. And then the wall is on. Still got to cut out the rest of the front door there. So it's supposed to rain or snow some more this weekend and early next week, so this should keep us dry inside at least. No more ice rinks. Okay, I'm going to show you real quick how we do these exterior headers. Just like the one for the garage opening you see there. We do box headers. So basically we create a box of our material so that we can insulate in the middle. So we do 2x on top and bottom, and then whatever our header is, in this case LVL, a lot of times just 2x6 or 2x8. And then we will lay the other LVL right inside there, nail it all together, and put it up. And that way our headers are insulated from the time they are installed. And we have nailer on both sides of the wall. Works out great. And there we go. Header is all assembled, foam board in the middle, ready to go up. So that one's gonna go right here above the slider door. Very start of December, just back from the Thanksgiving holiday. Good amount of snow still, but it's gonna be a little bit warmer and sunny all week. think we might even get into the 40s this week. So we're just finishing up some minor framing details here and there, a lot of blocking. We still got to do some blocking in a lot of places. And then I got to do some taping still on some of the sheathing outside, but it's coming along. End of another day. We've been working on the mini dormer over here for the kitchen. Got our 3 windows in there. Now we just got to put the, we got to do top plate around there on top. That piece goes right up in there. And then we're ready to frame the roof. Sun goes down early these days. Alright, so we're just about to put the final sheets on the front of the mini dormer here. Got the roof sheets on and the two sides. Just show you real quick how the framing looked from the outside here. So we ended up, we built the wall and then realized we needed to go another like 8 inches higher. So we had enough space in the top of there for the insulation. So we just built it up at the top. And it is gapped behind that face of the board there, so we can fit insulation in behind there just like a header. So anyways, nice strong little mini dormer. A lot of wood in that thing, all the drywall backer and everything. Best office in the world.